Welcome to our channel, where we help you unlock the secrets to a healthier life. In today's video, we will explore the amazing world of memory-boosting foods and how they can supercharge your brain health. So, let's dive in. Blueberries, the tiny but powerful fruits, grab the first spot on our list. Packed with antioxidants, these delicious berries can help to improve brain cell communication, enhance memory, and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Swimming up next, we have fatty fish such as salmon, trout, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Consuming fatty fish regularly can enhance memory, improve focus, and even help prevent mental conditions like depression and Alzheimer's. Get ready to spice things up with turmeric. This yellow-colored spice, commonly found in curry powder, contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric has been linked to improved brain function and a reduced risk of brain diseases. Moving on to the veggie kingdom, we have broccoli. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, broccoli is truly a superfood for your brain. It is rich in compounds that help in the formation of new brain cells and improve memory. Cracking into our next brain-boosting food, we have pumpkin seeds. These small yet mighty seeds are an excellent source of magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. These minerals play a vital role in brain function and help enhance memory and cognitive abilities. Who said healthy food can't be delicious? Dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa content, is packed with flavonoids, antioxidants, and caffeine. Regular consumption of dark chocolate has been associated with improved brain function, increased blood flow to the brain, and enhanced mood. It's time to squeeze in some brain-boosting vitamin C with oranges. This citrus fruit is not only refreshing but also great for brain health. Oranges are rich in antioxidants and other compounds that help boost memory, increase cognitive performance, and protect the brain against oxidative stress. Our next contender in the memory-boosting game is walnuts. Shaped like a miniature brain, walnuts contain high levels of DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that plays a crucial role in brain health. Regular consumption of walnuts has been linked to improved memory, concentration, and overall brain function. Don't forget to include eggs in your brain-boosting diet. Eggs are an excellent source of several nutrients that are essential for brain health, including vitamins B6 and B12, folate, and choline. These nutrients help to promote brain development and improve memory. Last but not least, we have the soothing and revitalizing green tea. Packed with antioxidants and caffeine in moderate amounts, green tea has been shown to enhance memory, improve focus, and increase cognitive performance. That concludes our list of the top 10 foods that supercharge your memory and promote brain health. By incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet, you can give your brain a natural boost and improve your overall cognitive functions. Remember, a healthy brain leads to a healthier life. Finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative videos that will help you live your best life. Thanks for watching.